So that was recorded in Bedford Square, Princess A, yesterday. And the relevance. Well, I spoke a couple of weeks ago about the Guardian's point of view about what they call the pervert glasses, which is the AI glasses, because there has been a lot of commentary about how they're being used to record things when nobody knows that recording is happening. But I think the Guardian's gone a little bit out of balance on that, because they represent a connection between AI systems, a large language model or a large cultural artifact archive, which can be updated or can output something, present something. Fundamentally, as sound, it can display text in front of your eyes, but I think mostly it's going to be translating text into sound. And we've gone through a whole phase of this being possible at a desktop. So John's spoken previously about how initially software for Windows, but latterly built into Apple and then everything else. But Apple did a lot of making it central to the operating system as a built-in feature. And it's basically about taking text and turning it into sound, so people can hear it. And that's, I think, just going to become portable. And the Guardian has this thing about inside and outside on a centre spread on a Saturday. I don't know if everybody listening to Phonic FM is familiar with that, but a lot of people are. And they seem to suggest that going out is better. Certainly gets more space, and it includes things like the theatre and the ballet, and the staying in is all the digital stuff. So presumably that they think that you listen to podcasts at home and you never go anywhere, whereas that's not necessarily so. And the glasses could sort of break that down, or something like it. Well, the phones, as they exist at the moment, have a lot of the same functions. So I did the video just using a Google phone, and I've put it into stills because there are people in the background, but we'll get into how we do street recordings of interviews and so forth without upsetting anybody. That will gradually become clear, I think, even without the glasses. So I'm gonna try and find out more about different points of view about the glasses, what they represent, and what use can be made of them to generate content. Let's just say content without making any claims for it. We'll see what goes on, because think, what is there? Google are going to have another go at doing glasses. Samsung have a version of that. I think the software for theirs is going to be very similar to the Google ones, but their design is going to be different. There's another lot. And then Apple, but I don't think all the features will be available even when they release it. And the software again is from Google. I think that's the case. It's all rumours, but there's going to be some sort of event around this every couple of months for the next 6 months or so. And I think John will this is my guess, will wait on what Apple are doing. He might go back to Orcam, but I think Apple or somebody else will provide a lot of functionality that would suit him. and also the data and the existing AI systems. We don't really yet know how those setups are gonna be. Not all the companies are going to carry on as they have announced, I wouldn't think. But some sort of device and some sort of system is going to be very widely available, and the access part of it will be a part of it, but it'll have specialist features as well. And I think there will be an education subsection also, but I think some sort of device like that is going to be mainstream at some point.